Señora friends! How are you today? I'm very happy to have you here again with me. And today I have a new friend that you haven't seen before. My friend Peter is an elf. Yeah, you are. And he lives in the forest of New Zealand. Well, I have a secret, guys. I am a huge fern lover. And I just want to tell you something about the silver fern. As you can see in this video, the orientation of the tips indicate the direction. And because they are white, the sun, better the moon, shining at night is reflected on the fern. And old warriors could follow their track without getting lost. Also, silver ferns were used for sitting down and for mattresses because they are very soft. Maybe one day you can try to identify silver ferns in the Naranjarte, the forest. Kakite!